lab, let the journey begin. Knowledge on tap, let the lesson sink in.
Welcome to another Learn with Hattie. If you're as obsessed with tech, blockchain, and AI as I am, you're in the right place. Today, I'm diving deep into what the next 10 to 20 years could look like as these technologies all start working together. Will our world be unrecognizable by 2045? Stick around to the end. Some of this will blow your mind. Let's start with a thought experiment. Imagine you wake up in 2045. Your morning begins not with checking your phone, but with your AI-powered smart home that instantly adapts to your mood and schedule. Your digital assistant not only knows what you need, its decisions are backed by blockchain, so everything it does is secure, transparent, and get this, you own your data, not some corporation. But how do we get there? Let's break down what's happening right now and project where it's all heading. AI is like your brain on steroids. It can process huge amounts of information in microseconds, spot patterns most humans would miss, and now, thanks to advances like large language models, think GPT, and autonomous agents, it's starting to get creative and emotional. Blockchain is the trust layer. It's public, decentralized, and unchangeable. Imagine never having to worry about hacks, data tampering, or corrupt systems again. Crypto is the money, fuel, and incentive. It allows machines, yes, machines, to make payments, own assets, and even vote in decentralized organizations. But when you put all three together, you get something wild. AI-powered agents who can think, negotiate, and transact with total transparency and security. Let's get practical. Here's where it gets fun. Finance. Picture smart contracts running on autopilot based on AI predictions, managing your investments, automating your taxes, and even flagging fraud before it happens. Healthcare, your medical data stored securely on the blockchain, but analyzed by AI for personalized diagnosis. All private, all controlled by you. Supply chains, everything tracked, optimized, and verified by AI. So you know exactly where your food, gadgets, and even medicines come from. Digital identity? Forget losing passwords. Your ID is powered by blockchain, protected by AI, and used only when you allow. Now pause. If this sounds too good to be true, consider that companies like ChainGPT are already automating smart contracts and auditing for major crypto platforms. Let's nerd out for a second because, hey, I love this stuff. Zero-knowledge proofs. Validate transactions and identities without showing your private data. Multi-party computation. Big decisions get made by AI committees, so no single person or machine can cheat the system. Fully homomorphic encryption. AI works on your data, but it's always encrypted, so your secrets are safe, even from the cloud itself. These advances lay the groundwork for a truly decentralized world, where even machine-to-machine payments use crypto, and DAOs, decentralized organizations, run everything from voting to governance. Here's the twist. With all this power comes massive responsibility. Privacy, blockchain plus AI means super secure systems, but we must guard against surveillance and misuse of personal data. Trust and democracy, traditional gatekeepers like banks, governments, and tech giants will be forced to give up power to DAOs and decentralized systems. New economies, the machine economy is coming. Robots, IoT devices, and software bots will have wallets, earn crypto, pay each other, and even vote. What does this mean for us? More equality, less censorship, more opportunity, but we have to keep the tech in check. Let's talk Bitcoin and crypto trends. We could see Bitcoin's price soar to millions by 2040. It wouldn't just be speculative, it could fuel daily transactions, pay AI agents, and underwrite digital identities. But regulatory and security battles will play out along the way. Remember, every new power comes with new risks. So where does that leave us? By the mid-2040s, AI, blockchain, and crypto will probably be as invisible but essential as electricity, a backbone for society, work, money, and even personal relationships. The world will look totally different, but hopefully fairer and more connected. If you like this deep dive, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop for predictions down below. What blows your mind most about the future we're building together? Thanks for watching, everyone. Remember, stay curious and keep learning.